To make a purchase on Best Buy using PayPal, start by opening a browser and navigating to the Best Buy website, where you will log into your account. Once logged in, you will be taken to the dashboard, where you can browse and select the items you wish to purchase, adding them to your cart. When you are ready to proceed, click on the cart icon, usually located at the top right, and review the items in your cart, ensuring you have selected the correct products and details, such as shipping address or in-store pickup. Next, select the PayPal checkout option, which will redirect you to the PayPal checkout page. Here, you will log into your PayPal account using your credentials and verify the purchase details for the product. After confirming the purchase, your order will be placed, and a confirmation email with your order details will be sent to your email address. This process allows you to easily and securely complete your purchase on Best Buy using PayPal.